Hey, what's up guys? This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for May 14th. Big week here for the Bulls. Got QQQ up about just shy of 30% off the bottom. And on the Big 3 indicator, the first round of daily buy signal since back here in February. Pretty impressive stuff. Back above the daily 50, back above the 21 EMA, back above the 200 SMA. Little food for thought if you look at a 1 hour here. For most things, 1 hour QQQ, 1 hour S&Ps, NVIDIA, Tesla, all the above. We haven't quite gotten a kickback to the hourly 21 just yet. And I think in terms of buying opportunities, first kickback into a 1 hour 21 on the Qs. If they can hold it, hold support, hold structure, I think it make for a good buy. If we check the S&Ps off the hourly, not too far off. So we could pull back a little bit, we could gap down. Or it could be a case of you trade sideways, chop, up comes your 21 EMA, and then there's your reset. But all right, guys, a couple of things I'm liking here in the room. One would be the weekly chart for MicroStrategy. And we're playing this through the June expiration 490, 500 call debit spreads. All right, so weekly MSTR. All right, pretty good pattern here of big weekly squeeze. They get the white arrow on the Big 3. All right, white arrow is a squeeze and a perfect score of 15. All right, they push it, they pump it, you get your pullback, a little bit of chop, brand new weekly squeeze, brand new white arrow. If they can keep that going, I think with patience, you look for a move into 490, 500. So we're long that bad boy, and then for the Bitcoin futures, they've also got a pretty big weekly squeeze. And I like the overall pattern here. Weekly squeeze, break it long, pull back, chop it, weekly squeeze, break it long. That one with a white arrow. Big push, little pullback, little chop. New weekly squeeze. Not perfect just yet, but they're getting there. 13 points out of 15. Trend is bullish, the structure is bullish. If they can get that histogram back above zero, I think you're looking for a path eventually into 115-ish, 120-ish. So Bitcoin I like. We got the MicroStrategy debit spreads. And then for Tesla here, big week here as well. And they popped it right into that 350 call wall today. High on the session was 350 on the dot. So pretty good move there. And with the first round of buy signals since back here in late December, I want to buy it on a kickback to a 1 hour or a 30-minute 21. All right, little kickback, little shaking of the tree. 15-minute squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. Looking for those kinds of things here on Tesla. NVIDIA into and a little bit above the 135 call wall. Earnings, I think, let me check here. Earnings are going to be coming up on the 28th of May. Same thing, guys. I like it for a dip buy to an hourly 21 EMA. I like that on the QQQ. I like it on the S&Ps, an NVIDIA, a Meta, a Google. Speaking of Google, up about 3.5 on the session. I like the idea of buying that above 160. And if anything, trying to play for a push up towards 170-ish. Rebuild back above your 21 EMA, kick back into your 200 SMA. Ideally catch it out on maybe a 5-minute or a 15-minute squeeze. A little 5-minute squeeze here into the close. It is a little neutral. But yeah, in terms of squeezes for tomorrow, we have, let's see. Depending where we open, of course. 30-minute, 15-minute, and a 5-minute on TSM. 15-minute on Tesla. Let's go check the 15-minute for Tesla. Brand spanking new 15-minute. So if the market opens up a little bit quiet, they open up Tesla flat. Maybe call for a pop higher off the 15-minute. You got a few here for NVIDIA, 15 and a 5. And again, we're at a point where you look at a 1 hour time frame. The idea of things being a little bit tuckered out and maybe due for a flush, not all that crazy. That being said, if they keep on printing these, good-looking 15-minute squeezes, 30-minute squeezes, I wouldn't fight them. I would buy them. I like that overall pattern. Push it, let it chop, let it squeeze, gap it up, push it, let it chop, let it squeeze. It is a beautiful thing until it's no longer a beautiful thing. And then one idea I do like here would be Netflix. So QQQ willing, I think Netflix could have a path here up into about 1200. And I think a great way to play for that path could be a lower time frame squeeze. Right now you're looking at a 4-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, and a 5-minute. The big boy here would be the 4-hour. If they can break that out and trigger that long, that could be your path up into about 1200. Big 3 score of 11 out of 15. Trend is bullish, your structure is bullish. So it's a little bit like your squeeze back here. Albeit right now you got better trend and structure. But if you can catch that squeeze in a fresh momentum shift, MACD line back above 0, locked and loaded, can usually make for an easier push. So watching that one for something like 1190, 1200 call debit spread, maybe a $1,200 call butterfly. Anything cheap, anything with a good asymmetric risk reward for a push into 1200. But alright guys, thank you for watching. A couple things I'm keeping an eye on there. As always, much appreciated. Have a great night, finish up strong this week, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Focus Trades here with SimplerTrading.com, and as always, I appreciate you watching our videos. If you happen to enjoy this one, go on ahead and like and comment down below, and if you're not already, make sure you go on ahead and subscribe and click that bell icon. That way, whenever Chandler and I upload a video, you'll get a notification once it's live. And if you want to watch us trade live with our own money Monday through Friday, you can check us out at SimplerTrading.com. See you in the next video.